Mastering prepositions of manner. Nailing your English grammar. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving deep into an important aspect of grammar that often confuses even the best of us: prepositions of manner. This topic may seem tricky, but once you understand how they work and where to use them, you'll enhance your communication skills in no time. Prepositions of manner are words that explain how something is done or how something happens. They are essential for adding detail and richness to our sentences. Examples include by, in, like, with, etc. Here's an example of a preposition of manner in use. She typed the report quickly, with great accuracy. In this sentence, with is a preposition of manner as it is explaining how she typed the report. Let's take a look at a few commonly used prepositions of manner. 1. By. This preposition often denotes a method or way. Example: he earns his living by painting houses. 2. In. When in is used as a preposition of manner, it typically indicates a state or condition. Example: she writes in a very distinctive style. 3. With often refers to using an instrument or means to achieve something. Example: he cut the cake with a knife. 4. Like can be used to compare an action to another. Example: he runs like a deer. The best way to master prepositions of manner is by practicing. Let's look at some sentences and see if you can identify the prepositions of manner. 1. She completed the project with enthusiasm. 2. They are traveling to the mountains by car. 3. He plays the piano like a professional. 4. She carries herself with confidence. Well, there you have it. We've introduced the concept of prepositions of manner, looked at some common examples, and tried our hand at a few exercises. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering prepositions of manner. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy learning!